Wanna get a cracker? Yum, 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 yum. Is that a good cracker, Nathan? Yeah? Do you wanna get a little bit of water? Oh, okay. There goes the water. Big thirst. You wanna get one more cracker? Would you like one? Do you want one? You're not ready? That you're looking at Daddy's microwave? Oh, these are so good. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Oh, yum, 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 yum. That's a good stuff, huh? You gonna eat that?
Okay.
All right. Here,
Daddy
Nathan.
will
Do you wanna
give
give one more cracker? Nathan? Oh, what is Daddy having? Daddy's having peanuts. And what is Nicole having? Oh, she's having peanuts. She had some fish and asparagus. Oh, very good. Now she's having peanuts. Are they good? Yes. Are they hot? Okay. So horky. Nathan? Nathan, you're busy. Nathan, do you want one more cracker? Nathan?